Our buy right section for this week is an exciting one and you are going to be wowed about it. Yes, how can you make 70% profit on your investment on vegetables and the location of this vegetable plant in the heart of Lagos? That is what we are going out for this week. Food vendors, I want you to go and take your seat because this is going to be uploaded on our YouTube channel on Tuesday. You know, Tuesday is the day and you can't afford to miss this. How you can buy this product from this farmers at a very good rate and go and sell it. Look, I'll even be putting you through on how to do the marketing strategy to help you sell off this product very fast. Do you know that vegetables are being exported out of Nigeria? A lot is happening in businesses that you don't really know, but not to worry. Take your seat. Look at it. It's going to be wowed. Yes, all types of vegetables is here and I'm going to put you through. So get connected. Tuesday is the day.